Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to unhide posts on Facebook timeline. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your Facebook in your phone. And now log into your Facebook account and then tap on three horizontal line in the upper right corner. Now tap on the gear-like icon. Now it will lead you to settings and privacy page. Now scroll down and under your activity section, you'll find activity log. Tap on it. Now from the activity log, scroll down till the very bottom and then click on View Activity History. Now tap on Filters. And now two options would be given. Select the Categories option. And then from the given categories, select the Logged Action and Other Activity option. Now from the drop-down menu, search for Hidden from Profile and tap on it. And once you find the posts that have been hidden from your timeline, tap on the three dots next to it. And then select on Add to Profile. So this way you can unhide your post on Facebook timeline. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.